Like, I'll tell you when it's coming, but you're gonna need to slow the hell down. Cause it's like, it's really stupid. You'll see it.
Tell me when.
I will tell you when. It's through this town that's up here. Once you go through the town, you gotta really slow.
Oh shit. I was going too fast for that turn.
Nah, that's not the turn.
You know what? I'm gonna go 200 and then engine off.
Why?
Because I can turn that better.
Why are you right now?
Because I can turn better.
But you don't.
And we're still going 100.
Alright, well, once we leave the town, the turn's gonna be right up ahead.
Alright, so engine off.
Okay. Sure. Go for it.
Where's the turn?
Right, past here. Right here. It's so fucking stupid.
This turn right here?
Yes. Look at what it does. Just, like, look at what it does.
So?
Why can't the road just go straight?
This is a hill right there.
No. Just build over the hill.
You've
Make...
never been on a road like this in real life.
I have, but make a bridge. Jesus Christ. Don't kill everyone. It's a stupid turn.
He was in my turf, boy, I saw you. Kobe.
Kobe's like me.
It's a nade kill. Kobe.
Alright. We're gonna be turning right up ahead. Not here. And not this next turn.
I didn't see the turn, so.
Yeah, not here either. Keep going. This next right. Or no, not next right. The right after right.
Oh my god. Tell me just one end, okay? Just say, oh.
Alright. I'll wait till you're like literally on top of it. This bridge right here to our right.
Oh.
Right here.
Well, I passed.
I was gonna wait till you were like at it and just go right now!
Oh.
No. But yeah, that's right. Yeah, we really would have died. And then the vehicle factory's right to our left. Yes, just off-road, come on.
I don't know if people are camping or not, so get out.
What?
Do your thing and get out, because I don't know if anybody camps this place.
I don't think so, and it's not RDM. So, I mean, if they kill us without initiating, it's RDM, and there's 2 of us, and there'll probably only be 1 person camping. Sit the fuck down.
Fence, you piece of shit. Alright, where's the thingy at?
Right here. Right here.
Where is it?
Right inside that little shed.
Close the window. Or close the door.
Yeah. Alright, Orca. We have everything... Oh, it's still only 10 process oil. Whoever told us it was 20 lied to us.
Oh, you're an asshole.
Whoever it was lied to us, alright?
Alright, let's see.
40 grand. I'm at 50 grand now. But you know what?
Need a digital one?
Yep. Are you spawning yours right now, or am I?
What number is that?
Alright, I'm spawning mine.
Hold up. Do I want an orca or a mohawk?
I mean, the Mohawk's the big one. It's pretty nice, actually.
Yeah, I'm going with the mohawk first. I'll give you the one later.
Just wait. My vehicle is here.
How much does that say again? 30,000.
30 grand, yeah. Get the second color on the list. I don't even remember what it's called.
Yeah, I need 20 process oil.
What? Oh, you... Wait, what?
Did I not get oil?
I have 10 on me.
Oh, can I have 10? I'll have to get more for that.
Do you have any in the car? Like...
No, I don't know where it went. I think I left it at the house.
So, what are we gonna do? Do you want me to, like...
Land and give me your oil?
What the hell?
Oh, what happened?
A glitch?
What happened?
Alt F.